So guys, the very first thing you have to do is just download this Insta blogger mobile Lightroom preset from ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com rare file. So when you will open the folder, you will get the FP Insta blogger AVC 2020 DNG preset file for your mobile Lightroom, also for your Lightroom desktop, also for your camera preset in the form of preset that would be for your Photoshop. Now we're gonna just install the desktop Lightroom version of this Lightroom preset. So just right click on it and select extract here. Also do the same process on this camera preset, also just right click on it and select extract here. So we will get the folder. Now you will find the folder that is Insta blogger Lightroom preset from ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com. When you will open the folder, you will find FP Insta blogger AVC 2020.lr template is the extension for desktop Lightroom. Now we're gonna install this preset to our Lightroom desktop. So just right click on it and select copy, go to the C drive, select the user, go to the ashvircreation, go to the app data folder, select the roaming, go to the Adobe and select the Lightroom folder, go to the develop preset and just paste inside any of the folder. I have already created one folder that is FP 2020. Now I'm gonna just paste that preset over here, that is FP Insta blogger AVC 2020. Now with the help of camera preset, we're gonna install it to our camera in Photoshop. So just select the FP Insta blogger AVC 2020.xmp preset file from the links in the description. And from here, instead of going to Lightroom, we're gonna just go to the camera, go to the settings and just paste that preset over here. And you can see here is the FP Insta blogger AVC 2020. Now we're gonna just restart the Lightroom and let's see how it actually looks if you apply the preset to your photos. It will turn your photos to kind of magical photos like. So let's select the preset tab. From here we're gonna just select the Insta blogger. When you will click, you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. It is really looking very amazing, guys. You should use this in your to color grade your photos and make them look more and more amazing. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on the here Insta blogger and you are done. You can see the difference is really making a perfect crispy kind of look to your photo and making it look more and more amazing. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on this button and you are done. You can see the difference. It is really giving a perfect amazing look, guys. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on this and you are done. You can see the difference. It is really making it look more creative and kind of amazing. Let's try it on this. You can see the difference. It is really looking very creative and amazing. Let's try this preset on this photo. Wow, it is kind of looking amazing. So this is how you can guys color grade your your photos with the help of this Insta blogger preset and just make them look more and more creative and amazing. Let's finally try it on this photo. So you can see the difference. It is really making it look more and more amazing. Let's try it on this photo. You can see the difference, guys. Let's finally try it on this photograph. So you can see the difference, guys. It is really looking very creative and kind of perfect Instagram blogger look. So you can use this in your photos to color grade it for your Instagram uploads. So you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. It is really making it perfect teal and creamy color kind of skin tone, which is making them look more and more amazing. So you can check the difference. So let's try to our Photoshop version, and we're gonna just apply the same preset with the help of camera filter in Photoshop. So let's open the Photoshop. Let's take some of the example photos. So let's just browse some photos from here. Let's take some of the images from here. Just drag and drop to our Photoshop, and here we're gonna just go to the filter, select the camera filter, and just go to the settings. That is the preset. Sorry, we're gonna go to the preset tab, and from here you have to find that FP Insta Blogger ADC. So you can see the 2020. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. This one is really looking very amazing, guys. So just hit OK, and this one is a dope preset, guys. Let's try it on this photo. Click on the filter, select directly the camera filter, and you are done. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, this is how you can color grade your photos to with the help of camera preset in Photoshop with the same Insta Blogger preset, and just turn your editing game of Instagram to a next level. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, and if you still not subscribed yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, LUTs, and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. So guys, go and check it out, that website. Also guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. Also guys, don't forget to check out our second website, that is filterpreset.com. On that website also we're gonna upload soon the most creative and the powerful preset. So guys, stay tuned on that website. So guys, thank you for watching, and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.